Magandang araw po sa inyo mga kapatid. Kumusta po sa araw na ito? Ngayon po ay araw ng Huwebes, January 23, 2025. Dalangin ko ng bawat sa inyo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan sa araw na ito. Mga kapatid, niyaw kayo na sama sa Padaron so paghahayag ng Ebanghelyo. Mula sa Ebanghelyo ni San Marcos, chapter 3, verses 7 to 12. Jesus withdrew toward the sea with his disciples. A large number of people followed from Galilee and from Judea. Hearing what he was doing, a large number of people came to him, also from Jerusalem, from Idumea, from beyond the Jordan, and from the neighborhood of Tyre and Sidon. He told his disciples to have a boat ready for him because the crowd, so that they would not crush him. He had cured many, and as a result, those who had diseases were pressing upon him to touch him. And whenever unclean spirits saw him, they would fall down before him and shout, "You are the Son of God." He warned them sternly not to make him known. So again, mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat mga kapatid. At sa ating Ebanghelyo ngayon, ating patuloy na mautunghayan ang public ministry ng ating Panginoon Kristo sa kanyang pangangaral sa mga tao, pagkapagaling sa mga may karamdaman at sa kanyang pagpapalayas ng masasamang espiritu. Jesus is saying also to all of us na siya ay naririto para sa atin, anuman ang ating mga problema sa buhay. Huwag tayong makatubili na lumapit sa ating Panginoon sapagkat siya ay naririyan at handang tumugon sa ating mga pangangailangan. So let us pray for all those people who are sick, lahat ng mga tao na mayroong matindi pinagdaan sa buhay, at naway sa tulong ating Panginoon sila ay magkamit ayon sa kanilang mga kinakailangan. So God bless you all, and the Lord may continue to pour out His blessings upon you and upon your loved ones. And my special greetings to Brother Jorik, our Calabrian brother, celebrating his birthday today. At sa lahat ng mga nagdiriwang kalangkarawan, happy birthday po sa inyo. And may the Lord may continue to bless you and help you to serve the Lord with gladness as you strive to do good and to be more pleasing to God as His children. God bless you all.